So I'm obviously thrilled to be here today. We are honored, Hoover, that you allowed us to come into your community and co-design the space and to transform it as a reflection of the kids and the community. I want to thank the Bay Area chapter. They are incredible, the work that they've done, and we want to thank the designers, we want to thank the landscapers, we want to thank Behr Paint, and we also want to thank Josh, who's our muralist, for painting it in such a beautiful way. So I have nothing but gratitude and a lot of pride for the organization.
Sweet Caroline, good times never seem so good. I've been inclined to believe there never was, but now
We're just feeling really grateful for the generosity of Color Corps and our community coming together. Miss Ayala, shout out to CSM who put all of this together, bringing snacks and getting all the paint ready and having this mural out here making our yard beautiful. It's really important for kids to feel joy and to know that their space is cared for the way that we care for them and we care for our space, and to come here and to see this beautiful mural representing our school and our community. It means a lot to us, and we're just very grateful for the opportunity to be here doing it with the community, with Color Corps, and for them to have helped us make this happen today. So very grateful.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Caroline, good times never seem